Limit your mealtime distractions. So don't be sitting in front of the TV. You can certainly have a conversation while you're eating, but the more that you're distracted, the less you're gonna be focusing on what you're eating. And you might actually end up eating more than you should, eating less than you should. Put your phone down, really enjoy your meal. Going alongside with that, don't eat too fast. Your brain takes 15 minutes to actually understand that you're eating. It takes a long time for your body to understand that you have consumed something and you're going through and getting nutrients in your body. So that's kind of the biggest thing too, is if you're really, really hungry, again, start with that glass of water and then transition into food, but eat slowly so your brain can catch up and really tell you, okay, I'm full, I'm done now. Don't leave the baking dish on the stove. So if you just made a giant casserole and you are super hungry, you're gonna wanna go back for seconds or thirds if it's just sitting in plain sight that you can have it right at your ready. So maybe scoop what you want on your plate, and then when you're done, put all the leftovers away and put them in the fridge, because then you won't be tempted to go back and get them. Pre-package your snacks. That's a really great way to do it too. So a lot of you are on the go, you're students, you're working, you're doing all these activities. So if you have pre-packaged carrots and celery sticks and pre-packaged nuts and pre-packaged fruits, it's gonna be way easier for you to make healthy choices, mindful choices, but also have the right portions as well. The other thing is listening to your body. So try to gauge when you're about 80% full. When you feel that, and you're like, okay, I'm kind of on the edge, stop, and then move forward from there. Don't eat past that point because it's gonna be uncomfortable. I think a good one to keep in mind is meat. We like to eat a lot of meat in this country: chicken, fish, steak, pork, all that stuff. So I have some chicken here, but little do most people know, for meat, you only wanna eat about a size of a deck of cards for your portion for each meal. So kind of keep that in mind. A lot of people have said like at the palm of your hand. It's actually not very accurate because everyone has different hand sizes. So think more about the deck of cards, and that should get you on the right track for how big should your chicken breast be, or how should your piece of fish be for size. Besides that, just making healthy choices about what types of things that you're putting in your body. So kind of this or that. Instead of making white rice, make brown rice. Instead of having white bread, pick whole wheat or whole grain bread. So it'll say on the package whole wheat or whole grain. Typically it'll say a good source of dietary fiber, something like that. It'll denote it for you. There's also other things like multigrain tortillas instead of the flour tortillas. Those are all things that are going to be helpful for your body, helpful for digestion, helpful for your health, helpful for getting the right nutrients in your body. Other things, a lot of us like pasta, we like carbs, we like going towards those things that are comfort foods. So try something different. Instead of always having pasta, like normal spaghetti or linguine or something, try a zucchini noodle so you can grind it up and make it into noodles, or try spaghetti squash and you can make it up like noodles. Still put the pasta sauce and all that stuff on there, but you're doing something a little bit different. And also again with the dips and toppings, instead of going for sour cream, get Greek yogurt or something else like that. Fruit juice, instead of fruit juice, do fruit water, or squeeze some fruit in your water and have it flavored. So those are all kind of just quick tips that I have for you. Just kind of some things that you can be more mindful about. And I have a lot more information I can share with you. I just kind of wanted to start off by giving you those 3 tips. So to review, you do want to start by just being mindful of labels, reading them, understanding what they mean. If you have any other questions about labels, feel free to contact me. I would love to sit down and just have a conversation with you about how you can be better about reading labels and understanding what's going in your body. Number 2, making healthy choices. So we're all gonna slip at some point. We're not gonna be healthy all the time. We're gonna have our cheat meals, but you can make a difference just by putting something in your body that's gonna help you, and just making those choices that are gonna be better for you in the long run. And 3, understanding portions. Portion control is very hard, but if you're diligent about it and you also understand kind of the standard of what you should be looking at now that you have a little bit more information, it's gonna help you a lot with getting you right on track. So that's our Medical Monday for this week. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, subscribe, like it, share it with your friends. We would love to get more viewers. We also would love to get this information out and getting you back in a healthy habits. So thanks for joining us, and hopefully you enjoyed our Medical Monday. Have a great week.